Hello everyone, my name is Charlie Lawrence and I am an education consultant at ConnectWise. Here at ConnectWise, we have developed 5 best practice behaviors so that you can get the most out of both ConnectWise and your business. These 5 best practices are a part of our path to success, and we use them here internally at ConnectWise as well to guide our day-to-day activities so we can be as efficient as possible. Our first best practice behavior is everything is a ticket. This means that anything that you or your employees perform work on should exist as a ticket in ConnectWise Manage. This includes any meetings, client requests, internal requests, and any other task an employee might spend time performing. By using tickets to track all work performed for every aspect of your business, you are able to create accountability loops throughout your company. Tickets allow communication and time to be easily tracked for each task, meeting, or request. This also allows Manage to become your one source of truth. Once everything is a ticket in Manage, you will no longer need to check multiple systems to find what you were looking for. That email the client sent in, it is automatically appended to the ticket. That meeting scheduled later this week, the location, the colleagues who are attending, and when it is scheduled for is all listed in the ticket. All roads lead to Rome is our next best practice behavior. To truly ensure that the first best practice is followed, we need to make sure that all avenues that we interact with our clients through allow them quickly and, more importantly, seamlessly create tickets onto our service boards. This must be true whether the request came in through email, phone, chat, portal, or in-person requests. The first step in this process is setting up all emails going out to your clients to come from an email address tied to an email connector. This way, any replies to these emails will automatically create new tickets in your system. There are chat integrations such as ConnectWise Chat, which will automatically create a new ticket whenever a chat is initiated, capturing all details of the chat session in the process. Phone calls and in-person requests should all have a ticket on the service board so that the request is captured in Manage. Internally here at ConnectWise, we have our voicemail system set up to send an email with the attached recording into our email connector, creating a ticket so a resource can follow up once the ticket is assigned. Clients can also log in through the ConnectWise portal and submit tickets to us through the web. By automatically directing all service requests to the service boards, we ensure that all tickets are always created, because if it's not in ConnectWise Manage, it didn't happen. Now that all tasks are being documented in Manage as tickets, we need to make sure that these tickets are being scheduled to our employees to work. The most efficient way to do this is to paint your calendar green. What do we mean by painting your calendar green? We mean that techs should be scheduled a full day's worth of work prior to the start of the day. This should be done by a centralized dispatcher so that tickets can be assigned out in an organized manner so that high priority issues get the attention that they deserve. Manage will color code the calendar based on how much of a tech's scheduled work capacity has been assigned out. You will see as a resource's schedule fills up, their day will change from red to yellow and then to green, thus indicating that they are good to go for the following day. Maybe you don't have a large enough ticket volume to warrant a full-time dedicated dispatcher, and that's fine. You will still want to hire either a part-time dispatcher or designate a resource to own dispatching for the team as part of their duties. This creates accountability and consistency. It also saves time for your techs, which yields more billable time for you. A tech will have their entire day planned out for them as soon as they are ready to work, with no need to waste time self-dispatching. Our next best practice behavior is My Life is My Calendar. Now that I'm using Manage to schedule all my meetings and my calendar is filled up and ready to go, I am able to work directly off my Manage calendar. Thanks to our calendar sync integration, any items scheduled in Outlook or Google Calendars are automatically syncing over to my Manage calendar so that nothing slips through the cracks. This all comes back to Manage being my source of truth. Since all my responsibilities for the day, week, or month exist in ConnectWise Manage, I am able to operate out of a single screen to determine what I need to be doing and when. From the My Calendar screen, I can see every task I have for today and can easily update my schedule as needed. I am also able to see when my colleagues are available and what they are working on, as I have access to their calendars as well, which makes scheduling a piece of cake. This means that they can easily see what I'm working on, which keeps me accountable. Finally, we have come to my personal favorite best practice: all time, all the time, on time. To truly succeed with ConnectWise and to grow your business, all time must be captured. This is not just for billable time, but all time. The full 8-hour workday should be accounted for in the timesheets for every employee. Also, this needs to be done on time, meaning the time should be entered as work is performed. By accounting for all of your time as it happens, you ensure that the most accurate information is captured in your time entries. This in turn causes all of your billable time to be captured by cutting out the estimates of when a ticket may or may not have been worked on. Also, by capturing your time as you perform your work, the time taken to document your work will be captured as part of the time entry. This time spent documenting is an important part of completing any job for a client and should be captured and made billable. With Closed Loop, Manage has eliminated the hassle of double entry by documenting time entries, email communications to the client, and details in the ticket simultaneously. All of this captured time then becomes a database of knowledge in your system that can be accessed easily through the global search. As you can see, our 5 best practice behaviors here at ConnectWise work hand in hand to drive efficiency in your business. By creating accountability loops and turning Manage into your one source of truth, ConnectWise can help you streamline your processes and have you and your team working on the same page out of a single, unified system.